Student's Book, page 73. 5. Listen and answer the questions. 1.
Look at that box. It's old and made of wood. It looks really interesting. Should we open it?
I don't think we should.
Well, I'm going to open it. Ugh, it's very difficult. It's open. Wow, look what's inside.
2.
Can you help me, please? I can't close this suitcase.
Oh, it's very full.
I know. Can you sit on it, please? Great. That's it. We've done it. Now we can go.
3. He's done it! That's a new world record. He skipped for 32 hours, 23 minutes, and 5 seconds. Congratulations! How do you feel? I feel great! 4.
Who was the first man to walk on the moon? Michael?
Was it Neil Armstrong?
That's right, Michael. Good work.
5.
Put your pencils down, please. You finished your exam.
Yay!
6.
Okay, Robert, put your right hand up above your head. Put your left foot on the green rock. You're almost at the top of the climbing wall. Now put your left hand up to the top. That's it. Good work.
I've done it. I've climbed to the top.